family sa Muse. Ayun. And if you're a fan of Pokemon and you love watching anything that is related to Pokemon, yung Pokemon Asia English channel, every Friday, nag-upload sila ng weekly episodes ng current season ng Pokemon Horizons. They are now currently on their third season, currently titled Rising Hope. Maganda yun, sina Nico, si Roy, si Dot, at sina yung mga starter Pokemon nila na galing pang Paldea region. I recommend you watch it if you want to feel good about going on a journey despite having to face a world-ending threat. Anyway, panoorin nyo yan every Friday sa Pokemon Asia English channel sa YouTube. Ngayon, kung gusto mo namang magbayad para manood ng mga anime na, talagang pinapanood ng karamihan, ay syempre, ang magiging choice mo ay mag-subscribe sa mga streaming services kagaya ng Netflix, Disney Plus, at Amazon Prime. Pero kung gusto mo yung wider selection, most than neither Netflix nor Disney Plus nor Amazon Prime, you go to Crunchyroll, ang dating pirate website na ngayon ay isang legal streaming service na laging dala nila ang mga latest anime straight out from Japan na may simuldub. Yun yung kanilang main draw na nagpapalabas sila ng mga English dub. Bilang lahat. Pero lahat ng mga major in demand na mga titles nila mayroong English dub. Usually, delayed sila ng mga 2 to 3 weeks. May iba na 1 week lang. At mayroon namang within the same day ay may English dub na kasama. Yon, kung gusto mong manood na may English dub, ang choice mo para roon ay ang Crunchyroll. Last but not the least, if you have a TV that is smart and also comes from Samsung, then ibig sabihin meron kayong Samsung Smart TV. Ang Samsung Smart TV, at hindi ito sponsored, ay may access sa mga sangkatotak na mga fast channels or free ad-supported terrestrial channels, at kasama na rin ng mga ilang anime channels na nagpapalabas ng mga anime shows all day long, 24/7. Kasama na rin ang Animax, ang Muse, ang Aniplus, at ang Aniblast. So, feed your heart out with any kind of content if you have a smart TV na Samsung ang brand. Again, hindi ito sponsored post, so there you have